Good morning everyone. Happy Monday. May our day filled with love, peace, joy, happiness, and unity be with us all everyone. Happy Monday. I feel that what happened in the whole world right now. I feel that the final judgment is near. The second coming of Jesus Christ is very near. That's the sign that the final judgment is almost very near. We need to get ready. We need to ready ourselves to receive God in our life, so that we can be in the heaven after our judgment. I cannot surprise for what happened in the whole world right now, because it was written in the Bible before the final judgment. There's so many things will happen in the whole world. 7 years of famine. There is fire. There is war. And the people will suffer too much because of what happened. Before the second coming of Jesus Christ, the final judgment. And something will the rapture, they call it rapture. Maybe that was very near. Some people will missing. We did not know what happened to them. Some people will because of Anyway, we just pray to God for the protection. Whatever happened, only God knows what is His plan for our life. That's all, guys. Bye. See you later. Good morning and happy Monday.